This is limited resources. Here is a demonstration of the coin box and how it works. As you will see, the coin box has a hanger hole on top and a slot, and coins can be collected. And so the way it works is there are two mounting points inside the box, and we line up the coin box and the bottom one also, and we push down on it and it locks into place. And so during shipping, what we do is we have we tighten these down, the top and the bottom, and so that it doesn't move during shipping. And so when you do get it, what your responsibility is to back off those two nuts, maybe 3 to 4 millimeters from the top and the bottom, and so that when you're emptying the box, you just lift up, empty it, and then you can put it back in. And as you can see, when it comes to shipping, what we do is we tighten it down, and so that there is no movement on the box. And this is limited resources, payboxtimer.com at 647-931-1829. Thank you.